it playing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew that. Yeah, today we are going to do the most annoyingest sounds we think. So let's go. So we're going to say words and sounds. So yeah, boy! If you keep doing it, saying that to your friends, they'll find it really annoying. If you don't like one of your friends, you can't just say
3. Yeah, buzzy!
boy, yeah, boy.
I like boys, I like boys all day.
Right. Run, 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 run,
Chinga banga bang bang bunga!
Fart sandwich and pineapple juice. Fart sandwich and...
We're trying to
Wait, and my brother thinks this is very nice. You want my treasure? I hate that song so much. It's so, gets my head a lot.
What happens if those people actually watch that song?
I don't know. Don't watch that song, it sucks. You are my treasure. Anti.com. Wash the car.
Yeah, buzzy!
Yeah, boy.
Do you wanna go on my scooter?
Check out my channel. Yeah, buddy. Hi, we have to end the video there. See ya.